there was 6 screws in there. So there's 1 in each corner, 2 in the middle, and now I've got all the screws taken out. I think that I can, lift the crossover board out. And there were terminals for each of the speaker connections that everything is easy to pull off. You don't have to unsolder anything. There's quick release connectors at the end of each thing. So there's the old crossover and the new crossover side by side. And just for reference, so everybody knows what I'm using here, I've got obviously the Buchardt S400 speakers. I'm using a JVC QL-A7 turntable with a Ortofon bronze cartridge. And then my amp is a Parasound P3, or preamp is a Parasound P3, and the amplifier is in Parasound A23. And then I'm also using a Sonos port as my streaming device.